Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about types of table, how to create permanent table, temporary table, and transient table, and types of data type available in Snowflake. One request to viewer: if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started. In a Snowflake, there are three main types of table that you can create, each serving different purpose. First is permanent table. These are the default and most common type of table in a Snowflake. They act like traditional database, storing data persistently even after you close your session or Snowflake restart. Permanent tables are ideal for storing important data that need to be accessed and analyzed over time. Here is the example of creating permanent table to store customer information. Here you write create table, these are the syntax, and that after that table name, and then in bracket you write column name and its data type. Here name and varchar is the data type, email is the column name, and varchar is the data type. Next is temporary table. Temporary table are short-lived and exist only within a current Snowflake session. Once you close the session, the temporary table and its data automatically deleted. These tables are useful for storing temporary results or working data during your analysis. Here is the example of creating temporary table. You write simply create temporary table, after that table name, and then in bracket session ID. These are the column name and its data type. Number is the data type. User data is column name and variant is the data type. Next is transient table. Transient table offer a middle ground between permanent and temporary table. Like permanent table, they persist beyond the current session and are visible for all user with proper permission. However, unlike permanent table, transient table does not have built-in feature like time travel or failsafe for data recovery. They are designed for data that need to keep for some time but doesn't require the same level of protection as the permanent data table. Here is the example of creating transient table to store the cell data. Here simply write create transient table, after that table name, then column name and its data type. Date is the data type, product ID is the column name, and integer is the data type. Quantity sold is the table name and integer is the data type. Now let's move to next topic, which is data type in a Snowflake. These are the data type available in a Snowflake. I have a link for more detail in Snowflake documentation. I put this link in description box. You can read from this website and also learn from here. Integer data type, which is used for whole number, big integer for large whole number, a small integer for a small whole number, decimal for fixed point number or a specific precision or scale, float data type used for approximate numeric value with floating decimal point, double data type used for double precision floating point number, varchar data type used for variable length character string with a specific maximum size, character data type used for fixed length character string with a specific size, text data type used for variable length character string without a specific maximum size, binary data type used for binary data, variable binary data type used for variable length binary data, date data type used for date value, time data type used for time value, time stamp data type used for date and time value with optional precision, time stamp underscore LTG data type used for time stamp with local time zone, time stamp underscore NTZ used for time stamp with no time zone, time stamp underscore TZ used for time stamp with time zone, boolean data type used for boolean value, geography data type used for geographic data, geometry data type used for geometric data type, array data type used for array containing element of the same data type, variant data type used for semi-structured data type for JSON like data type, object data type used for JSON data type, UUID data type used for universal unique identifier data type. These are the data type available in Snowflake. Now let us see how to create permanent table, temporary table and transient table with example. You simply write create table. This is the mandatory keyword and this is the table name. Customer is the table name and these are the structure of this table. Here customer ID is the customer ID is the column name and integer is the data type. Name is the column name and varchar is the data type. Email is the column name and varchar is the data type. So let's control enter to execute. table is already exist, so write here create or replace to replace existing table. Okay, so table is created, you can see from here. Okay, table is created with null records. In same way, you can create a temporary table. Use here create. These are the mandatory keyword. After that, write here temporary. After that, table, and then table name. And these are the structure of this table. Session ID is the column name and number is the data type. User underscore data is the column name and variant is the data type. You also write here or replace to replace existing table. So control enter to execute. Here session data is created. Temporary table store within a session. When you close, then delete all data available in this table. Now let us create transient table. Here is the syntax: create or replace is the optional keyword. If already exist this table, this keyword replace existing table, and then write here transient, then table, and then table name. And these are the structure of table. Sales data and date is the data type. Product ID is the column name, integer is the data type. Quality sold is the column name and integer is the data type. Let's control enter to execute. Here daily sales table created. You can verify from here. Table is created successfully. Let's see another table how to create with all data type. Here simply write create table, and also you can write create or replace to replace existing table, and then table name. These are the table name. Data type example is the table name, and integer column you can write here integer data type. Float column you can write here float data type. Boolean column you can write here boolean data type. Date column you can write here date. Timestamp column you can write here timestamp with local time zone. Variant column you can write here variant data type. Array column you can write here array data type. Object call you can write here object data type. Run from this button, statement is executed and table is created successfully. You can verify from here. Select star from table name. Table is created successfully with null records. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.